Oh man, SINT, man, SINT, moon. This thing looks like it's gonna moon again. Check. Is this thing on? Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Oh man, we're gonna break out here. SINT. Watching. $6.15. Come on, 6.19, 6.19, 6.20. If we can see a snapping action. No panic yet. It's already up pretty nicely here, coming into the open 100%, which is great to see. Spreads seem manageable here, pre-market, which is good, about 3 cents, 4 cents, about 3 to 5 cents. I do expect this is to open up a little bit, maybe up to 10 cents or so at the open, maybe even bigger than that since the float is under 1 million. So be careful with the spread. But one thing that you're going to notice is with wider spread stocks are thinner. That's what we mean by thinner, is when stocks have kind of a bigger spread and a less kind of thickness, like kind of less thickness or less of a big order quantities on the bid and the ask for the most part, because the stock doesn't have a large float. There's not many shares on the market, so you won't see these thick walls with like a 1 cent spread. But these types of stocks have the capability of moving a lot farther and a lot faster because of the limited supply. And also, you can dump pretty fast as well. Flash crashes and these types of stocks. So the spread, can be a double-edged sword. While it can be tough to pinpoint that entry, that low-risk entry, it can move so fast. You can be in a 10% gain in the snap of a finger. It's definitely not for the faint of heart, these very, very low floats. All right, good morning. Welcome in, Peter. Good morning, Jay. Good morning, Hawk. I think we got a new fella in here. Hawk, good morning. Zay, what's up? So let's see SINT. Let's take a look here at the news, and then we can go through the the daily chart as well. So the news looks like receives U.S. Patent Trade Office notice of allowance of silicon nitride application in medical devices. So patent news tends to be pretty decent catalyst. So I'm not surprised that we're up this much already off of patent news. So very, very nice. I like it. Let's take a look at the float. SINT. Float is 750,000. 750,000. That's very, very small. Anything under 1 million is it's going to be a rodeo. This stock is going to be a rodeo. 750,000. SINT. We're already up 100% of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 200 or 300, 400% on this one. I wouldn't be surprised. Not guaranteed, not financial advice, of course. So don't just buy and hold because I said that it's going 300, 400%. You always got to follow your risk management and make sure you're following your rules. So, SINT daily chart still looks good. Looks like we got some room here. So We got a level here up at 714. Topping tail rejection could have potential resistance. So we had support there as well. Is that 640, 638? Did we top out 638? Getting up to that 638 level. Down in this area, kind of inflection point, previous support, now previous resistance. So somewhere in this area. It's not quite clear, but we'll put it right there. Just, yeah, it looks like it does coincide almost perfectly with that topping tail here on pre-market. We'll probably have a level here at 697 before this huge gap here. All the way up to 14. Or no, 12, about 13. Or 1250, and then all the way up here at 1450. I don't know. I don't think we're getting up. I don't think we're getting up that high. It could. I wouldn't be. I mean, we could, but I mean, it's been a while. It's been a while since we've seen a move like that. Unless it pulls a wheeler on us. I mean, wheeler went from 1 to 15, so maybe the SINT will be, you know, something like similar like that. Could possibly, maybe. But yeah, SINT, you know, looks pretty decent. We got some room on the daily. If you guys watched that video over the weekend I posted about creating a watch list, I did go into pretty good detail on analyzing the daily chart for your pre-market watch list for those stocks. Could be pretty valuable to check out. Morgan, good morning. What's up? Hope you're doing well. Haven't heard you in a while in the Discord, so hope you're hanging in there and managing your risk for long-term success. Mikey T, good morning. Let's make it happen. That's for sure. Make it happen. Good morning. Vols, good morning. Good morning. Okay, so SINT, Baja saying HM, is that a stock? H&M. I used to shop at H&M. Actually, I still do. I just don't go shopping very often, but I just buy those cheap clothes from H&M, man. Cheap clothes, $5, $10, good value. You know, I'm not a big clothes kind of guy, but you know, cheap clothes, as long as it covers my body, it's all good. You know. But I am supporting, I guess, the sweatshops over in Bangladesh. So, you know, I guess there's a morality with shopping, a moral issue if you're shopping at H&M, which maybe I should contemplate. But anyways, next is, so we looked at SINT. Leading gapper here is up 100%, 750,000. 750,000. Yeah, now I'm shopping over here at Relentless Clothing, getting my Relentless t-shirts. Pretty soon there's going to be Relentless mugs. I'll have to have him get some Relentless mugs so we can rep that on stream. I drink coffee every day, so I should be sipping out of a Relentless mug, you know. INBS. Next one. Well, actually, no, it's the third leading gapper. Oh, no, it's tied with the third leading gapper here. INBS. This thing popped up after hours yesterday. On Friday. I remember watching it. I was like, I know there's some people who like after hours, you'll just place a trade on the overnight gapper just to see if it'll gap up even higher, like right when the market closes for the next day. Yeah, it would have worked out, man. Like let's say like the news comes out. Let's say you take a trade somewhere in here, 190, you know, putting a stop down here at like 160 and just let it ride and see where it goes. So for 30 cents risk, I would be up, you know, 50 cents, 50, 60 cents. So it's about a 2-to-1 risk to reward. The risk to reward would be good, but I'm curious to see what the accuracy would be. You know, for a 2-to-1 risk to reward, you know, I'm going to have at least a 40% accuracy to kind of start making a little money. So I'm curious to see what that strategy would kind of, how that would pan out. But INBS, this one, Let's take a look at the flow. IMBS. What's up, Skull? What's up? What's up? General CJ, good morning. IMBS 3.12 million. So nice low float. Very nice. I like it. IMBS. Intelligent Biosolutions trading higher. The company announced preliminary Q4 revenue results from $730K and 2024 revenue of 3.11 million. Preliminary Q4 revenue. So it is Q4 results, earnings results, preliminary. Usually these are hit or miss. Usually these catalysts are hit or miss. Medical technology company delivering intelligent, rapid, and non-invasive testing solutions announced results for 750K, 3.11 million, increase of year-over-year of 64%. That's pretty significant. 64% year-over-year increase in revenue. And 148% increase compared to 2023. That's good. I mean, that's pretty significant. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see continuation on INBS or continued volatility at least. Daily chart. We'll have a level here. So we topped out at 322 or 320. The previous support, which will now act as resistance, kind of, well, actually, this looks like we bounced a little bit here. So we might have a level there around 346, 350. Around here at 460. I don't know if it's gonna, I don't even think it's gonna break much over 320. I would be surprised, but maybe INBS, who knows. We'll keep it on watch. It is our third leading gapper. The next leading gapper here, TNXP. TNXP. Penny stock. For those penny stock traders, this one could be good. Looks like we have TNXP announced trading higher to company data, or company announced data on the potential Mpox. Mpox has been popular lately in the news, in the stock market, catalysts, and social media. You know, Mpox, the next COVID. Let's get those lockdowns. Let's lock down for this Mpox. Nobody can go outside. Let's do it. Let's do it again. Let's get free money. Free money, guys. We know exactly what happened after we got that free money. Terrible, terrible. So let's lock down again and do some more free money. You know, that's the solution to all of our problems. So Mpox vaccine using synthetic biology to battle Mpox talk at Immunology Symposium at the University of Alberta. Tonix Pharmaceutical says Mpox vaccine effective in animal tests. So it's monkeypox vaccine. Demonstrated efficacy in protecting animals from lethal. So it looks like they got positive results for testing on animals. Just because it's Mpox, you know, it may be volatile. It may have some momentum on it. I have all these lines here on TNXP all the way up here, but we can delete that. That's just way too much. So TNXP curling up off the low, daily chart looking ugly as all hell. All the way down here at 13 cents, man. Wow. What a sell-off, man. Some of these shorts killed it on this thing. Imagine holding short down to 13 cents. Massive gains. Shorts are sitting on massive gains. Maybe they're going to start covering. You know, maybe they're going to start covering. Today may be that day, but it's a cheap stock. If you like those cheap stocks, this could be it. I mean, I'll trade it. I would trade it, you know, if it is moving. I like it after usually 30 cents or 40 cents. 22 still really on that cheap side, man. Really on that cheap side. I'll have to turn a lot of shares if I want to make money. Adding up those FINRA fees, those exchange fees, regulatory fees. That can really eat up at your profit with these penny stocks. Especially the way that I trade. But TNXP, daily chart, looking rough, but shorts got to cover at some point. They're sitting on some gains, so maybe we see a move up to that next level here around 32. Previous support. Maybe we'll test that previous support level around 32. After that, maybe if we get over that, maybe around 42, 43. It's only 10 cents, but percentage-wise, that's another 30% move. His mic volume is super low. Some people come in here and they say that my mic volume is really low. I have it on max. It's on max, so maybe you gotta turn up your volume a little bit. I could maybe put it closer to my mouth. Maybe that'll work, but maybe you gotta put me on blast. Put me on that subwoofer. That subwoofer. Shake the house with my voice. I want you guys to shake your house with my voice. Put me on that subwoofer. Alright, Buru, B-U-R-U. Yeah, this is the fourth leading gapper, and it's already, look at the volume, man. Just nothing. Yeah, Skull means shares volume. Let's take a look volume here on SINT. Yeah, look at that. It's not that much. But because the float is so low, it's able to make a move like that. But yeah, we're only turning on this one 100 and 200,000 shares consistently. I mean, you have them outlier candles of this is 400. Down here earlier in the move, 400, a couple 400. But not that crazy. Especially when you're down here on $3 or $4. You should be able to turn 1 million shares, but it's a little bit lighter volume here, you can kind of tell. But because the float's so small, this thing can still fucking just absolutely rip. But, I mean, maybe it'll contribute to a larger spread, actually. But it's a little bit lighter volume, the spread may not be as tight. So hopefully we're not feeling on the ask. I might have to use Dash Trader with those offsets if it gets pretty bad, but I haven't been using Dash because I think it's even slower. I've checked my recording and I've noticed with Dash Trader, like when I execute the order at a certain price, it won't execute me at that price. It'll execute me at the next second later, because you can tell. Let me show this. So if you take a look here, look at this green here. Just look at this green. I'm going to send an order. I'm going to hit market order so it doesn't get filled. Let's send 100 shares by market SINT. So just look down here. It says, keep your eyes here. Accept by 100, $5.99. Best 24.44. So it would fill me at 24.44. So let's look at it again. Look at the time. So 24.48. Wait, sorry, 9:24:58. There's a second delay. It says, yeah, shit. Oh, this is not good. Can't cancel my order. Oh, this is great. Oh yeah. What if I hit flatten? Oh, shiitake. Oh, man, what's going on here? Charles Schwab, ready to start my day off on a good note. Come on. You motherfucker. Oh, my God. This is like unnecessary. Charles Schwab, what are you doing here? I am sending this. If this is if I just open up, oh my God, I'm gonna open up and go to the depths. on this panic flush. Hopefully it's a opening surge. Looks like I'm in for the opening surge, guys. This is the trade. Cancel. I'm going to have to sell. Oh my God, man. This happened to me once before. Oh, Jesus Christ. I can't, yeah, you can't trade 5 minutes. Like, what is this rule? Who's making this rule? And am I going to get filled, like, at that price that I sent it for originally? Or am I going to get filled here at the open price? You're not going to get filled? What do you mean I'm not going to get filled? Yeah, remember? Yeah, Skull was here. I was like, yeah, I checked a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I went over this in the stream. I was like, oh, I heard you can't trade through the open 5 minutes before the open, and now you can't. These orders are AM. No, I sent these on market orders. I sent market orders, so I should be getting filled at 9:30. This thing better open and surge, or I'm gonna break something. This is exactly. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything because I don't want to ruin my day. I just accept whatever's gonna happen here. Actually, I want to break the support prior to the open, because then I think we'll have a higher chance of a trap. Yeah, I'll stream until this disaster of a trade is over for you guys, just so you guys can see me enter the depths on Monday morning. Actually, I honestly have a feeling this is going to open surge. It's a really strong pre-market chart. So yeah, of course, I think SINT is my main watch here. I'm locked in already for the opening surge, so might as well take the trade, you know? Oh my God. 50 seconds. Let's get ready. Let me turn this off so I'm not blinding myself anymore. I think I might just hold it for the opening surge with a stop here at the low. Might as well. You know, I'm already in the trade. The trade's just a 200. Let's see where I get filled. Where am I fill? Where am I fill? Where am I fill? Get me out of the freaking trade, man. All right, I'm done. $15, I'll take it. All right, good luck, guys. Take it easy.